In this video we will talk about anti-snoring devices, what to look for in anti-snoring devices. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. If you, or someone that you know, suffers from snoring, then you are probably looking for a way to cure it. While the actual causes of snoring vary from obesity, sleeping on the back, allergies and more, the majority of sufferers simply want to know how to correct the problem rather than what caused it. Many anti-snoring devices are designed to help sufferers stop snoring and start resting. Natural snoring remedies including sleeping on your side, ridding your home of allergens, losing weight if recommended, etc. If none of these remedies seem to work, many sufferers immediately turn to a variety of surgical procedures for their snoring solution. However, these types of procedures are invasive, uncomfortable and may not be necessary in all cases. Before turning to surgery, consider the use of anti-snoring devices. With the retail market being what it is, there are many anti-snoring devices that claim to solve this problem or cure that one, but, when looking for legitimate anti-snoring devices, always look for something that has either been directly recommended by your doctor or is labeled as being doctor recommended. This is very important in identifying the quality anti-snoring devices from the rest of the pack, so to speak. One anti-snoring device, which is currently available, is known as the Sleep Genie. This product, as it is fittingly titled, typically works its magic during the first use. The product provides a comfortable support for the jaw while allowing the mouth to remain closed through the night. Have you ever tried to snore with your mouth closed? Exactly. No luck, right? That is why the Sleep Genie has been identified as being doctor recommended. It provides a medicine-free, non-surgical way to end snoring. If the sufferer continues to have problems even after using quality anti-snoring devices, a physician may need to look for the possibility of sleep apnea. This is a very serious medical condition which, if left untreated, can lead to other health problems. With sleep apnea, the snoring sufferer often stops breathing completely throughout the night and is therefore at risk for various health problems. A proper diagnosis for sleep apnea can only be made by a physician. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.